Let's see what we have inside AINISA.com business panel. For this, log into your account and go to business panel section. Here we have the home page for business panel, business chats, API keys, users, your connected AIs, AI assistants, integrations, analytics, training files, datasets, AI files, fine-tuning, teams, plans and pricing, documentation, and support pages. So, in business chats, we will have our chats from our business or our own chats. In API keys, we have our own API keys. These API keys are different for each user. You need to use mostly public keys, but for API connections, API requests, you will need both public key and private key. Your users. When anyone writes to your chat, to your web chat, Telegram, WhatsApp, it doesn't matter. They will be added here as your users, as your customers, and they will be visible only in paid plan. Your connected AIs. In AINISA, you add your own OpenAI or Cloud key, and this is very good. Why? Because in this situation, in this case, you manage your AI costs yourself. So AINISA doesn't add any markup, any hidden costs to your AIs or to your subscription plans. You can add OpenAI, Claude, or DeepSeek, and you can add their models, which one you need. AI assistants. In this section, you can create your AI assistants. You can give a name, a starting text, set default, model, maximum messages, long-term messages, short-term messages, creativity, description, and system prompt. And this is not all. Each agent can have their own actions. For example, you can connect your agent to your custom API, to N8N, Rapid API, Make.com, it doesn't matter, any API. You can add your custom buttons, custom forms for collecting leads, for collecting contact data. Human call action. For example, a user can come and tell AI that they want to speak to a human. Then you or your team member can join and answer to your customer. Integrations. You can integrate your agents to any platform, to your website, to WordPress, to Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram. It doesn't matter. In this case, you will be able to answer to your customers in any place. Analytics. You can see how many messages and chats you will receive. Training files. You can upload your images, your PDF files to train the models. In this case, the models which you train will answer in a better way, in your customer-oriented way to your customers. Datasets. After you add your PDFs, it will automatically create a dataset, or you can add datasets manually. AI files. After you create datasets, you can create AI files for training, for fine-tuning. Fine-tuning. When you have AI files, you run them to fine-tune and train your model. Your teams. You can add your team members to your platform. Plans and pricing. You can subscribe to any plan and use much more features in AINISA.com. And documentation. We have created a fully grown, a fully helpful documentation for you. So in documentation, you can get any information you want. And of course, support. If you have any questions, just write to us.